Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Packing for your next big trip can be stressful, but having the right bag makes all the difference in the world. Today we are looking at the best carry-on backpack. This smart bag is built for modern travelers and busy professionals who need to move quickly, stay fully organized, and protect their gear. Let's get started. When you look at the TSA-friendly carry-on backpack, you will notice it perfectly blends practicality with durability in a very sleek design. One of the best things about this backpack is its quick-access laptop compartment. This spot is specially suspended to absorb shocks and unexpected impacts, keeping your expensive computer safe. You can easily pull your laptop out without opening the main compartment, which saves you a lot of time at airport security checkpoints. Speaking of travel, the TSA-friendly meets TSA carry-on standards for major airlines like Delta, Spirit, Frontier, and JetBlue. It features a full 180-degree opening that opens flat like a suitcase. This makes packing and unpacking incredibly simple, letting you breeze through security and reducing your stress at the gate. The main storage area is highly adaptable because it features an expandable design. You can easily expand the bag from 40 liters to 50 liters, making it perfect for your daily commutes, weekend getaways, or even extended trips. Inside, the Tolaka brand included separate dry and wet compartments. This is amazing for keeping your sweaty gym gear, damp clothes, or toiletries completely separate from your clean items, ensuring everything stays neat and organized. The Tolaka M03 carry-on backpack also focuses heavily on your comfort and versatile style. It offers 3 distinct carrying options, allowing you to use it as a standard backpack, a professional briefcase, or a comfortable shoulder bag depending on your daily needs. To support you during all-day wear, it features thick padded straps, a highly breathable mesh back, and an adjustable chest strap to distribute the weight evenly. The rugged construction of this bag is built to last for years. It is made from tough, tear-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching and premium SBS anti-scratch zippers that slide smoothly. For extra convenience, Tolaka added tactical strap details on the outside to keep your small essentials within arm's reach. There is also a dedicated luggage strap on the back. This allows you to effortlessly slide the backpack over your suitcase handle for seamless and lightweight travel through busy crowds. Do not let a bulky or unorganized bag ruin your next travel adventure. If you want a reliable companion that delivers efficiency, comfort, and maximum durability, this Tolaka M03 carry-on backpack is the perfect choice for you. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on this awesome travel bag. Do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful product videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing trip, and we will see you next time.